morning, children. Today I am going to do subject social class first standard CBSE. Okay, children, in the last class I have done lesson number 10. Okay, lesson number 10. People who help us. Okay, PEOPLE, people. WHO, HELPL, US, us. Okay, children, in the last class I have taught this lesson. Okay, everybody read this. Okay, children, now I am going to explain this one more time. Children, listen here. People who help us, lesson number 10. Okay, we cannot do all our works of our own. Okay, we need help from others. Okay, in house also and outside also we need the help from others. We have to complete our work. Okay, there are many people who help us in many ways. Isn't it, children? First is, okay, we should respect our helpers and we must help others also. Okay, children, there are many people who help us in our day-to-day life. The doctor, how they will help us? They will give the injection when we are sick. They give us medicines. And the postman, he brings us letters. Then the driver drives the bus and he take you to the school. Okay, copter means our shoes and chappals, and also tailor. The tailor stitches our class. Okay, children, now we are going to complete page number 53 A main. Okay, page number 53 A main. Okay, children, A main. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First one. A POST, post. MAN, man. Postman works. WORKS, works in a dash. Okay, where does the postman work? The postman works in the post office. POST, post. OFFICE, office. A postman works in a post office. A postman works in a post. Next is second one. Okay, first में 53 A main is fill in the blanks. Okay, FI, then will fill, IN in, TH either, DNA, then KS blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, a postman works in a post office. Okay, where does the postman work? Sorry, postman work in the post office. Second one, a GROCER, grosser works in a dash. Where are the grosser works, children? In a price shop. PRICE, price, SHOP, shop. In the price shop. Okay, number 3 is a teacher. TEACHER, teacher. A teacher works. WORKS, works in a dash. Where does the teacher works? In the school. SCHOOL, school. Okay, next number 4 one. A barber S-A-L-O-N. The barber works in a saloon. Really, saloon only work ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Got it, children? Now I am going to repeat this one more time. Okay, children. Page number 53. A made, F-I-L-L fill, I-N in, T-H Ida, B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, first one is A, P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman, W-O-R-K-S, works, I-N in, A, post office, P-O-S-T, post, O-F-F-I-C-E, office, post office. Okay, second one, a grocer, G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer works, W-O-R-K-S, works in a price shop, P-R-I-C, price, S-H-O-P, shop. Okay, next number 3 is a teacher, T-E-S-C-H-E-R, teacher works, W-O-R-K-S, works in a school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. A barber, B-A-R-B-E-R, barber works in a saloon, really saloon. Got it, children? A postman works in a post office, grocer works in a price shop, a teacher works in a school, barber works in the saloon. Next is page number 54. Page number 54, children, everyone. Page number 54. Okay, which page now? Page number 54. Circle the correct word. Okay, which one? Circle the correct word. The first one, C main, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, T-H-E-D, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct, W-O-R-D, word. Circle the correct word. First one, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, a teacher, R, a teacher teaches, T-E-N-C-H-E-S, teaches, R, this is R, okay. Delivers, D-E-L-I-V-E-R-S, delivers letters, L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. Children, who delivers letters? The teacher teaches or delivers the letters? The teacher teaches, not delivers, okay. The postman delivers the letters. So this is the correct answer. A teacher teaches, not delivers letters. Got it, children? Understand? Got it, children? Yes, okay, good. Next one. Second one. A doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. A doctor repairs, R-E-P-A-I-R-S, repairs fans, F-A-N-S, fans. R, treats, T-R-E-A-T-S, treats patients, P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S, patients. A doctor repairs fans or treats patients, children. Yes, very good, children. A doctor treats patients. Okay, not repairs fans. Got it? The doctor treats patients, not repairs fans. Okay. Next, number 3 is a gardener works in a gardener, G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, a gardener works in a KS works in a field. FIELD field or garden. GARDEN. Okay, where does the gardener work, children? In the garden, not in the field. Okay, the gardener works in the garden. He pour the water to the plants and he take care of the plants in the garden. Okay, what is the next fourth one? A postman, POSTMAN, postman delivers, DELIVERS, delivers. A postman delivers letters or food. LETTERS, letters or food. Which one, children? What does the postman do? He brings his food or letters? Letters. Okay. Postman delivers letters, not the food. Okay. Fifth one. A tailor, TAILOR, tailor stitches, STITCHES, stitches clothes or shoes. Children, who stitches the clothes? Tailor, not? So answer is clothes. Okay, shoes who will stitch? A barber. Okay. A tailor stitches clothes, not the shoes. Got it, children? Now I am going to repeat this one more time. C may circle the correct word. Okay. Here these are two words are given. One correct word we should circle it. Okay. A teacher, 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 teaches, TEACHES, teachers, or DELIVERS, delivers letters, LETTERS, letters. A teacher teaches or delivers letters. What does the teacher do? Teaches, not delivers letters. Okay. A doctor repairs fans or treats patients. The doctor treats the patients, not repairs the fans. Okay, number 3 is a gardener works in a field or garden. Where, children? In the garden. Garden is the correct answer. A postman delivers letters or food. Which one? Letters. A tailor stitches clothes or shoes. Which one? Clothes. Okay. Got it, children? Next is D-main, that is unscramble the word. Okay, third main, sorry. D-main, page number 54. In page number 54, D-main. Page number 54, D-main. Okay, unscramble the words. UNISCRAMBLE, unscramble the words. THEWORDS words. First one, OPSTNMA. Which one, children, this is? He gives us letters. Who is he? He is a postman. Okay. POSTMAN. Postman. What is children? The next one, OBCB. ELR. He made the shoes. Who is he? He stitches our shoes and chappals. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Got it, children? C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Next one. R-I-D-B-R-E. Who is he? He drives the school bus. Who is the children? Very good. Driver. He is a driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Fourth one. A-R-D-G. A-R-D-G. E-N-R. Who is he? He takes care of the plants in the garden. Who is that? Do you know? Yes, very good, children. G-A-R-D. G-A-R-D. A-R-D. E-N-E-R. Gardener. Okay. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Sorry, this is garden. Okay, children. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Okay. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. One more E is missing, children, here. Okay, one more E is missing. Okay, we should add this one. This is garden only type. Okay, here only given mistake. Okay, G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Okay, E-N-E-R. Now it is correct. Okay, fifth one. You should add E in your book, children. One more E add here. Okay, okay. A-I-L-O-R-T. He stitches the clothes. Who is that? Tailor. Okay. T-A-I-L-O-R. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. The tailor stitches our clothes. Our clothes. Okay, children. These all the ways completed in the textbook. Okay, page number 53. Fill in the blanks also completed. Page number 54. Circle the correct word and unscramble the words. You should copy this in your textbook. Got it, children? Next, activities for assessment. Okay, you have to do one activity. Respect all the people who help you. Thank for them after receiving any help. If you take any help from others, you should give them thank you. Okay. And also, what will you do if they need your help? Children, if someone needs help from you, what will you do? You should help. Okay. You should help others and respect your helpers. Got it, children? Got it, everyone? Yes. Okay, children, now I am going to read this lesson. Everybody take your textbook and read lesson number 10. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. W-H-O, who. H-E-L-P-L, U-S, us. First para. W-E-B-C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. D-O-Do, A-L-L-R. O-U-R-R, W-O-R-K-S, works. O-N-R, O-U-R-R, O-W-N, own. We cannot do all our works on our own. W-E-B, N-E-E-D, need. T-H, either. H-E-L-P-L, O-F-R, M-A-N-Y, many. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. O-T-H-E-R, other. T-H-A-N, Dan. O-U-R-R, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. M-E-M-B-E-R-S, member. CO2, MAKE May, OUR LIFE life, EA SI ER easier, and COMFOR TABLE comfortable. Okay, we need the help of many people other than our family members to make our life easier and comfortable. TH, ER is there, ARAR, MAN many, PEOP only people, WHO who, HELP help, US us, INN, OUR DA by day, PO2, DA by day, LIFE life. There are many people who help us in our day-to-day life. Next one, THER is there, THER is there, ARER, HELPERS helpers, SWEEPRS speakers, MILK milk, VENDORS vendors, GRO CERS grocers, TEA CHERS teachers, DOCTORS doctors, POSTMEN postmen, DRIVERS drivers, COBBLERS cobblers, TAILORS tailors, POLIC police, etc. There are many people who help us in our day-to-day life. They are helpers, sweepers, milk vendors, grocers, teachers, doctors, postmen, drivers, cobblers, tailors, policemen, etc. Okay, children. Next is this one. MA educate, HELPS helps, INN, DYNG doing, HOUSE house, HOLD hold, WR keeper, LIK like, WA, SH, ING washing, and SWEEPING sweeping. Maid helps in doing household work like washing and sweeping. Next to this one, SWEEPER sweeper, CLEANS cleans the ROAD road. A sweeper cleans the road. PLUMBER plumber, REPA IRS repairs, OUR TAPS taps. A plumber repairs our taps. COBBLER cobbler, MENDS mends, OUR SHOES shoes. The cobbler mends our shoes. Open next page number 52, children. DOCTO doctor, TREATS treats, US us, WHEN well, WEB ARER SSIK sick. A doctor treats us when we are sick. TEACHER teacher, TEACHES teachers, US us, ADA DE ACADEMIS academic, SUBJE CTS subjects, and GOD good, NLERS manners, SCHOOL school. A teacher teaches us academic subject and good manners in the school. Okay. MASON mason, HELPS helps, TO2, BUIND build, THE the, HOUSE house. A mason helps to build the house. POLIC police, MAN man, policeman, PRO TCTS protects, US us, FROM from, THIEVES thieves. A policeman protects us from thieves. POST post, MAN man, postman, BRINGS brings, US us, LETTERS letters. The postman brings us letters. BUS bus, DRIVER driver, DRIVER rides a bus. HEV, TAKES takes USS to SCHOOL, school. A bus driver takes us to school. Next this one. TH here there, ARER, OTH here is others, WHO, ALS also, PRO, BID provide, CER, TAIN certain, SPE, CIFIC specific, SERVI, CES services. There are other who also provide certain specific services. A GRO CER grocer, SCLLS sells, GRO CERIS groceries. A grocer sells groceries. A BARB barber, CUTS cuts, and TRIMS trims, so you are our hair. A barber cuts and trims our hair. A TAIN or Tyler STICHES stitches, so you are our CLOTHES clothes. A Tyler stitches our clothes. Next page, 53 page. WEB, MUST must, BEB, THANK, FUL, thankful, TO2, THESC, these, PEOPNA, people. We must be thankful to these people. WEB, SHOULD, should, RES, PEC, respect, ALR, PEOPNA, people, ANDI, their jobs, JOBS, jobs. We should respect all people and their jobs. WEB, SHOULD, should, ALS, also, HELP, OTHERS, others. We should help others. Okay, children, you read this lesson complete. Page number 53 and 54. Copy this from the board. Got it, children? Thank you and bye.